In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A50 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Advanced Features. Then click on one-handed mode and use this switcher at the top to activate it. Now you need to tap on one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or button. Whatever you decided, in my case button, you need to follow all of those instructions below your method. In this case, double tap the home button. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. To scale it, hold one of its corners. Sorry, misclick. And drag it. To pick size of your little screen, you can use this icon on the left or on the right. And to, for example, move it up a bit, hold this line at the top and drag it. If you want to go back to your standard size screen, click on this blurry area. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same No Blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!